Confusion, a lot of worried parents, tension building over what back to school will look like here in Oregon. Our Lisa Balick attended a rally at the state capitol where supporters there want to have some kind of benchmark that everyone can follow, and she's live digging deeper. What is ahead for families, Lisa?
Yeah, well, I was just checking right now, and I found out that the governor and state health leaders expect to have new guidelines out possibly as soon as tomorrow for reopening here in the state. It keeps changing all the time. Meanwhile, there's a group out here that had a car rally saying they want a particular benchmark put into place. Hundreds of teachers and parents with the group Oregon for a Safe Return to Campus are driving home the message. They want the state education department to support a back-to-school plan that would require no new COVID cases in a county for 2 weeks before schools in that county would reopen for in-person learning.
The trauma and the mental health effects it's going to cause when if we were to go in person and someone loses a classmate or they lose a teacher.
The drive-by state capitol rally was to urge the governor and the state health authority to support their benchmark.
Distance education was really hard in spring because it was from 1 week the next. We had to start teaching online. And if we know now, then we'd be able to have a better idea of how to do it and plan better.
But there's also a big push to get schools open. Concerned children are already behind academically after schools closed last March, and concerned children are socially and emotionally struggling. Just last week, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention urged reopening for those reasons, saying, quote, "The best available evidence from countries that have opened schools indicates that COVID-19 poses low risk to school-age children, at least in areas with low community transmission, and suggests that children are unlikely to be major drivers of the spread of the virus. But it's that low risk in areas with low community transmission that worries many here, like those in the high COVID areas like Marion County."
We are brown community, and I don't want our people to die.
If I do sports or if I play with my friends, it'd be harder, but I know that if I do, I could probably get sick.
Now, I just checked the latest COVID numbers from the State Health Authority. It shows more than 2,000 Oregon kids have gotten the virus. That's about 14%. Again, kids generally have fewer symptoms, but the concern is that they could spread it to families as well as teachers and staff. Live in Salem, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.